So this will describe how you connect the Android phone to Windows 10. For example, you want to connect to Windows 10 so you can screen record the Android, or you can run the app from Windows 10. So this is two applications allow you to connect to from Android to Windows 10. The first one is called Letsview. Letsview, and you can go into Google Play and click Letsview. You will see it installed. I put a link to install on the Windows 10 as well. And the second application you can use, this one is very good. You don't need a license, and it runs wireless Wi-Fi. If you have a Wi-Fi connection, you'll be able to connect the Android to the Windows 10. Another one is a limited. Without license, you can only connect a USB cable to the Windows 10, and that one is called a Vysor. Vysor, they call it Vysor, this gun. So this one, after you set it up, you plug your USB, then your screen Android will show it up in Windows 10 after you set up a few things. So I'll just let you know that you can use these two applications. It's very good. Vysor, you just go this, you connect your Android, you just follow this, and every time you plug it in, it's automatic connect to you. And another one is Letsview. It automatically detects it. But in Letsview, the Wi-Fi and the Windows 10 have to be used in the same router, same IP address, 192.168.2.2, and the last IP could be different. We support from 0, 1 to 255, but the mask has to be the same. Okay, thank you very much.